It's a nourishing repairing shampoo is suitable for all hair type. It helps thoroughly cleanse remove buildup impurities while replenishing hair. It provides intense healing lightweight nourishment for damaged hair. It contains of malachite, Egyptian blue lotus blue, green algae to treat repair hair. It leaves hair soft, shiny strong. This cleanse lightweight healing shampoo thoroughly cleanses and removes buildup while replenishing hair. This formula is proven to soften, strengthen, hydrate, and increase shine, all without weighing hair down. Ingredients: water, Aqua, O, Disodium Laureth Sulfosuccinate, sodium chloride, Cocamidopropyl Hydroxysultaine, sodium Lauryl Sulfoacetate, Glycerin, Cocamidopropylamine Oxide, Keratin amino acids, silk amino acids, Hydrolyzed Keratin, Theobroma Grandiflorum seed butter, Nymphaea caerulea flower extract, Aphanizomenon Flos-Aquae extract, Malachite extract, Sementia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, Lozelia mexicana leaf extract, NBSP, Camellia sinensis, tea, leaf extract, Rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf extract, Aquisitum arvense extract, Arnica montana flower extract, sodium sulfate, phenoxyethanol, acrylates, C10-30 alkyl acrylate crosspolymer, sodium lauryl sarcosinate, glycol distearate, amodimethicone, fragrance, parfum, palicoternium 10, C1214 sec PARETH7, panthenol, sodium hydroxide, hydroxypropyl guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, benzoic acid, Cocamidopropyl betaine, Laureth 4, C1214 sec PARETH5, PEG 150 distearate, citronellol, acetic acid, tetrasodium EDTA, citric acid, lactic acid, benzyl salicylate, tocopherol acetate, hydrogenated starch hydrolysate, geraniol, ext. Violet 2, C60730, iodopropynyl butylcarbamate, blue 1, C42090, propylene glycol, disodium EDTA, DMDM hydantoin, imidazolidinyl urea, ethyl hexylglycerol, linalool, red 33, C17200, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, 1, 2-hexanediol, caprolol glycol, potassium sorbate. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, poor shipping results. The shipping is the issue. I opened the box and the shampoo was in a clear sealed bag. The lid had become loose during shipping and the shampoo had leaked all over the bottle and the bag. Need to find a new way of shipping this product. The product itself is great. Shipping just needs help.